Hello friend, today we are going to make this beautiful arrangement together. Okay, so we are going to start this beautiful design, round centerpiece that can go anywhere that you just saw video of it. I'm going to start with Cala lily. Cala lilies are very nice. This shape that they can create beautiful line for your round centerpiece. You can use them back to back together, or you can use them to the side of your arrangement. So let's do back to back now. Next I am going to use beautiful hydrangea. Green hydrangeas are very nice, dense and strong. So as a primary, if you remember, we are using primary, secondary, and filler to enhance the design. So primary creates your design. Kale is my next product as a secondary, which covers a lot of mechanic and also they're beautiful as a secondary to complete our design. Next, I am going to use this beautiful green mist. Green mist is very nice, mostly for any season. They are summer flower, but you can use them any season, any time that they are available. They cover a lot and they can be part of your beautiful arrangement. Stock is our next product that they are creating your line against Cala lily. I have some beautiful Ecuadorian roses. Name of this rose is Vendela. Vendela is one of very beautiful, useful for any design, summer or winter. For wedding or any occasion as a secondary flower. Sometimes they are part of mass flower. Sometimes you can use them as a primary and secondary. So they go both way. They are very nice to use in any arrangement. Okay, I'm going to use some of this beautiful eucalyptus just to cover mechanic as we talk. Your mechanic of your design needs to be covered with greenery or any flower. This eucalyptus is very useful, very beautiful, smell good, and give nice good look to your beautiful small centerpiece. This small centerpiece can go anywhere. Can be used for a small birthday arrangement. For office is perfect because it's not too big. You can send this to office for birthday or any summer party or a small dinner table. Anything under eye level, they can go as a centerpiece. Under eye level is under your arm, which is about 14 inches. For up to 16 inches are acceptable as a centerpiece. So any arrangement that I make, they can go. I make sure that I use them versatile, which is going different occasion, different place, different shape, different design all together with same technique. Okay, that's it. Done. Okay, this is our finished project. If you like to learn more different design, you can sign up in-person classes at minadesigschool.com.